Hello everyone. Are you facing this error when you are deploying your app on Vercel? Then don't worry, I got an easy fix for it. First, go to the root folder of your app or your website, and here you will create vercel.json file. Open it, and you have to paste the code here. And this code is available in the description of the video, so you don't have to type it. Just copy it from there and paste it in this file. Save it, close it, and that's all. For example, if your app is uploaded on GitHub, then it will look something like this. And here you have to put this vercel.json file, and once you have committed, the Vercel is smart enough to understand if there is any new commit, and it will take it and it will update your app, and your app work perfectly fine. So thank you so much for watching the video. Bye.